You'll have love at first sight with the 2024 Lincoln Nautilus. Transcend the ordinary. Get behind the wheel of this distinctive Nautilus and experience the comfort of a luxury sedan coupled with the versatility of an SUV, all wrapped up in high-end style. Well equipped with the latest tech to keep you safe, connected, relaxed, and focused, this midsize crossover redefines the daily drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, navigation system, keyless entry, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, backup camera. Get into this stylish Nautilus and indulge yourself in the luxury you deserve. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.